everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. The National Cyber Investigative Joint Task Force released a ransomware fact sheet. This fact sheet is an educational product intended to provide the public with important information on the current ransomware threat and the government's response, as well as common infection vectors, tools for attack prevention, and important contacts in the event of a ransomware attack. Ransomware is a type of malicious software or malware deployed by criminal actors that encrypts data on the computer system, making it unusable for the end user. The criminal cyber actors then hold this data hostage until a ransom is paid. If the ransom is not paid, victim data could remain unusable or made available to the public at large. Between 2013 and 2019, it is estimated that at least $144.35 million in Bitcoin have been paid out to ransomware. While ransomware attacks can impact any industry or organization, the federal government is particularly concerned about fire stations and police departments, as well as local and territorial governments, hospitals, and other critical infrastructure. These can impact first responders and delay first responders to responding to emergencies, or prevent hospitals from accessing life-saving equipment. It is imperative that these organizations be prepared in the face of ransomware attack or threat. The NCIJTF's ransomware fact sheet provides the basic information necessary to help protect the United States infrastructure. This joint seal product can be found at the link in the description box below. I would highly recommend that you take a look for yourself and get a little better educated. I appreciate its succinctness and poster-like layout that I think it would be helpful to print off to post in your office or around the workplace. If you don't yet have preventative measures against ransomware for yourselves in your office, please give us a call today and let us help you get set up.